Hi folks, it's Tony again from Tony's Comfort Kitchen, the home of comfort food. Okay, so today I've decided to go for something a bit lighter than I've been doing. So I'm going to make a little snack or something that's good for lunch, something very light, and I've decided to do the classic French cooked sandwich called Croque Monsieur. Okay, so it's very simple. I'm not even going to bother going through the ingredients. 2 slices of bread, some Dijon mustard, the mustard on both slices. Spread it around. This couldn't be any easier and quick. Okay, now the cheese you want to use for this, if you want to be true to the sandwich, it's Gruyere, grated Gruyere cheese, but you can use any cheese you want really. Ideally it should be Gruyere. Spread cheese on top. Now then I've pre-cut 2 slices of a ham. Put on top. And then another sprinkling of cheese. Try and keep it all on. A little bit of salt, not too much, because the ham will be quite salty. And a little bit of pepper. Now then, cover, firm down. Now, we're ready to put it in the frying pan. Okay, so we're cooking the butter. As soon as it starts to foam, we need to put the sandwich in. Voila. And keep it in there for 2 minutes. So I'll cook away and I'll come back to you in a couple of minutes. Okay, I think 2 minutes is up, so we'll turn it over carefully. Oh, look at that. Again, leave it for 2 minutes. Okay, so yeah, the 2 minutes is done, so time to bung it in the oven. As I think Jimmy Oliver used to say. I'll stick it in that roasting dish. Okay, 5 minutes is up. Here's our lunch. Oh, look at that, my friends. Not too melty. Cheese is just as I like it, not too melty, but melted enough. Can't wait to try this. Okay, so can't wait to try this. Oh, this looks fantastic. It smells great. We all know what a cheese and ham sandwich tastes like, but it's when you cook it in the butter. It just lifts it to another dimension, as I say, and it's gorgeous. It's so tasty, and I'd love you to cook along with this too. It's great for lunch or a light snack. I'll put more of a description below of quantities, ingredients that I've used, quantities, etc. Yeah, it is absolutely one of my favourite lunches. So if you like it too, you know what to do. You need to hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and of course hit that little notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos that I do. And so that's it. I'll see you in the next video, which I think will carry on with the theme of French dishes. I'll be doing probably my ultimate French comfort food dish. Can't wait to show you guys. So in the meantime, this goes out to my youngest niece, who doesn't like my sign-offs, but anyway, I'll do it. I'll do it anyway. So to Hannah out there and everybody else, peace and love, people. Peace and love.